Hi, welcome. Now I am going to explain to you what is columns function. Okay, so I have a three set of data here, and I am going to use the columns function and show to you what it is. Okay, so columns. Okay, you can see it returns the number of columns in an array or reference. That means column function, if you pass a array or in array or matrix or a list or anything, it will return the number of columns in it. Okay, so I will pass this array, enter. You will see it is 3. That means it's a 3 columns, 1 2 and 3 and 3. Okay, 3 columns are there, so it is passed 3 columns. It could be any number of rows there, but it will return only the column number. How many columns are there? Okay, I will use it for this array. Columns, you must see it is not column function, it is columns function. Okay, the plural, the s is there. Okay, column function is different. Okay, then I will select the array, close the bracket, enter. You can see 4 columns, 1 2 3 and 4 columns are there. Okay, so finally we have columns of this array. Okay, so you can see how many columns. Obviously it is 2 columns, 1 and 2. Okay, this is the interesting function when we use it in our calculation, especially for matrices and other things. The table of data, you no need to use or hard code the number of columns. You can use this function for any array to find out the number of columns. Okay, and also I will also show you one more test here. We will do the multiple selection. Columns. Okay, I will select this one. Okay, and also a multiple selection. Okay, close it. So I select multiple. This array is not accepted. Okay, so it accepts only a one range. Okay, you cannot do a multiple selection of ranges and send it to the columns and find out how many columns. You have entered too many arguments for this function. Okay, so you cannot send a multiple columns, multiple array. Okay, enter. Is number of columns is 3. Okay, now I will do one more test, the final test. If you do a full row, yes, we have huge array, the whole row, then what is the number of columns? Okay, rows, columns. I will select the full row. Okay, bracket, close the bracket, enter. 16384. Okay, this is the total number of columns you can have it in an Excel worksheet. Okay, so this way you can use columns function in your formulas and calculations to find out a number of columns in your range or a list. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my videos, please press on the subscribe button which is appearing in the screen itself, and also leave your comments and suggestions. It is very useful to me, and God bless you.